Good morning everybody. My name is Sanket. I am studying 9th class in Dr. KKR Gautam Happy Valley School. Today I am going to discuss the distance between two points ax1y1 and bx2y2. Draw a Cartesian plane. Mark the points ax1y1, bx2y2 in the Cartesian plane. Now we should find the distance between AB. Now draw a line AL and BM which are perpendicular to x-axis. Consider ax1y1. Here x1 is x1 units distance from y-axis and y1 is y1 units distance from x-axis. x2 is x2 units distance from y-axis. y2 is y2 units distance from x-axis. So what is LM? LM is nothing but OM minus OL, that is x2 minus x1. Now draw a line AN which is parallel to LM, that is x2 minus x1. What is BN? BN is nothing but BM minus NM, that is y2 minus y1. Now ABN is a right angle triangle. Now apply the Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to AN square plus BN square. So AB square is equal to AN is nothing but x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1 whole square, and Bn is nothing but y2 minus y1, that is y2 minus y1 whole square. So AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let us solve two example problems by using this theorem. Example 1. Find the distance between A 10,6, B 7,2. Solution. First of all, we will write x1 y1. Here x1 equal to 10, y1 equal to 6, x2 equal to 7, y2 equal to 2. Now we apply the formula. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is equal to square root of 7 minus 10 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square. 7 minus 10 is minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 6 is minus 4 whole square, that is equal to square root of 9 plus 16, that is equal to square root of 25, that is equal to 5 units. Example 2. Find the distance between two points A cos theta comma 0, B 0 comma A sin theta. Solution. Here x1 equal to A cos theta, y1 equal to 0. x2 equal to 0, y2 equal to A sin theta. Now we apply the formula AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to square root of 0 minus A cos theta whole square plus A sin theta minus 0 whole square. That equal to square root of A square cos square theta plus A square sin square theta. That is equal to square root of A square is get common, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is one of the trigonometric identity. So square root of, we apply sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So square root of A square is equal to square root of A into A, that is equal to A unit. This theorem proof is useful for 10th class and intermediate students. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.